If you're wondering how you can open a RAR file on your Android phone, you'll need to install a compression utility, and one of them is called RAR by RAR Lab. Once it's installed, just open the app and look for where you downloaded the file. So in this case, I already have it in my root folder, and if I want to open the application straight away, all I have to do is just select the RAR file and select whichever file I want to open, and there we go. Now in case I want to extract the file, all I have to do is just select the file, and within a second or two the menu shows up, and then I can just select extract to 2020 application, which opens the folder and the file containing it. And now I can see it in my root folder as well, 2020 application. If you want to compress files, you can do that with the RAR app as well. So let's say if I select this one and I click here on the add option, and right now I'm just gonna leave the compression as normal, and I'm gonna just click OK, and there we go. So the original app, the file was 55 kilobytes, and with the compression it's 34. And if you see, the 2020 application.pdf was 2.3 megabytes, and once I compressed it, it was 869 kilobytes. So that's a significant improvement. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any kind of questions, do let me know through comments. Goodbye.